Hi, my name is Al Lucchino. Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury and Fairfield Power Sports, which is our CFMoto website, our virtual showroom. I've got something very exciting to show you today, but I just want to introduce myself again. Most of you have seen me on TikTok, our YouTube channel, on Facebook. I'm the owner of the dealership. Harley-Davidson of Danbury, Fairfield Power Sports is a 30-year family-owned business located right here off Exit 7 off I-84 in Danbury, owned by me and my brother Carl. And we wanted to introduce you to this 2025 C1000T, which is a quad, an ATV, a wheeler, whatever you want to call it, but this is a fantastic vehicle, and I want to walk you through this black C1000T. It's one of the last 2025 C1000Ts that we have in stock here at the dealership. Now, with a C1000T, you get a two-up seat. You can carry a passenger. You've got a backrest. You've got grab rails for your passenger and footrest. So it's factory specifically designed to carry two people on a quad, so it's great. Electronic power steering with adjustable modes. Again, these are standard features you don't get on other brands. CFMoto gives you an automotive grade paint finish. This really is a beautiful, shining, gleaming, outstanding black paint finish. Hand guards. Protect your hands and knuckles against trees, branches, shrubs, cold, wind, rain. Standard equipment. Maybe it's a small thing, but when you put your hand on the hand grips of a CFMoto ATV, it's a really comfortable hand grip. It's well designed. The rubber is soft and pliable. Your grip is good. The grips are heated. The thumb screw heated. Heated seats are available as an option. It just doesn't get any better than this. Now, you've got steel over composite racks with cargo carrying accessories available. The radiator design is easy to clean, so if you get dirt and mud, if you're doing some heavy trail riding, it's easy to wash out and keep the radiator functioning. You've got a 3,500-pound winch with a synthetic rope. Again, all standard equipment. Alloy wheels, great, good traction, off-road tires. Nitrogen-charged adjustable suspension, not just spring preload, adjustable damping suspension, standard equipment on this model. As we go a little further, we've got a trailer receiver. We've got a 12-volt power source, a USB, a USB port. You've got a TFT screen. Thin film transistor is what that means. All standard equipment. Now this one has a 1000cc V-twin. It's fuel injected, no gas valve, no choke, no hiccuping, no coughing, and we've got an Omni drive, which means CFMoto made heavy-duty transmission with bigger clutches, and CFMoto engineered it specifically to work in these heavier duty applications with big motors, extra power, works better, smoother transition. We've got downhill assist control, which means you can control your rate of descent with computer controlled engine braking on this vehicle. So more standard features than any other ATV. We prep them very carefully here at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We put a battery charging harness on for you free of charge. Our technician lubes and greases all the Zerk fittings, so you're going to get smooth operation and good wear out of the components. Till the end of November 2025, we're including a free coal pin plow in a box with the C1000 ATV, and you may be eligible for 0% 36-month financing for qualified borrowers on this ATV. So don't miss out. As I said, this is one of our last C1000Ts. It's one of our most popular models. Come on down to Harley-Davidson CFMoto of Danbury, otherwise known as Fairfield Power Sports. You can see this vehicle, you can drive it around the parking lot, and then we'll help you get it in your truck or get it on a trailer and get it to your house for you. Thank you for watching, and come visit us. Our phone number is right here, area code 203-730-2453.